So somebody asked me a question about how do you read logs, and I'm trying to show them like one of the best places they can go to like read up on this: intrusion detection in depth. Okay, this is a flyer. What I would do if I were you is I would go to you. Let me just do it real quick. I would go to YouTube. Okay, I apologize for what you're about to see. You're about to see my algorithm of stuff that I actually watch, which is very embarrassing. But we're gonna go to Sans 503 503.2 training. And yeah, so look at this. It's free. People, there's some random real people like myself who will just talk about for an hour straight about Sans 503 for free. You got tons of people. There's some really, really smart people of all walks of life who will teach you about this, how to read logs. And so this is where I would start. Like if you're not sure, you're just starting out, at some point you want to invest in yourself. Like you want to pay for a course. You don't have to pay $3,000 to do it. You know, I mean, there's some courses you can get for $200-$390, probably on Udemy, who will teach you how to read through logs. But yeah, that's where I would start if I were you. That's what I would do.